Elsewhere, shares of Germany's biggest lender, Deutsche Bank, have fallen to their lowest level in decades. Azhar Sukri is here to explain how Deutsche Bank got to this point and who the winners and the losers are in this current crisis. Azhar.
Thanks so much, Paul. Well, yes, Deutsche Bank's story is certainly shaping up to be a big headache for German Chancellor Angela Merkel. But some analysts say it could threaten much more than her career. Now, on Monday, its share price plunged by 7.5% to its lowest level since the 1980s. And on Tuesday, it fell even further. But the shares have been falling since last year. In late October, the bank announced it was shedding 9,000 jobs. That was 6 months after it received a record $2.5 billion fine for its role in manipulating interbank rates. In January, it announced a record loss of $7.6 billion for 2015. Then in June, the IMF warned that Deutsche Bank posed the single biggest threat to the global financial system because of its large debts. Now, a day later, its American operations failed a crucial test by US regulators of its ability to withstand a financial crisis. And earlier this month, the US Justice Department fined it $14 billion for its role in the 2008 global financial crisis. So, who are the winners and losers in all of this? Well, the list of possible winners is a rather short one, I'm afraid. The American public may be among them if the Department of Justice gets its way. But there are many more potential losers, including Angela Merkel. Over the weekend, she was quoted as saying that the government will not bail out Deutsche Bank, and the bank has said it won't need external help. But not doing so could threaten the stability of Germany's entire banking system, its economy, and, by extension, Merkel's job. And with banks in Italy, France, and other EU countries also carrying large debts, the contagion could quickly spread across the Eurozone and beyond, Paul.
So as our $14 billion is the fine, how much of that is the DOJ actually likely to see?
Yeah, it's a good point. In similar settlements with other banks like Morgan Stanley and Citigroup, they came in a lot lower than that, roughly about a third of the original ask. And, but, you know, something like that would still be a threat to Deutsche Bank. They would still probably have to ask for more capital and reach out to shareholders and maybe issue more shares. That could potentially pose a major problem to Deutsche Bank going forwards. Whether that's an existential threat or not still remains to be seen.
OK, Azhar, thank you very much.